Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. You all know that we are following a single indicator called MST Core 2.0. From now on, we are changing the indicator name to MSTI Core. So the same concept, the same logic, but only the name only has been changed to MSTI Core. So you all know what to do. After 9:35 in the morning, you have to enable the first buy and first sell. So this will be your first sell and this will be your first buy. So this is your first buy and this is your first sell. You have to enable. Once market is stable, so it will go either side. So it will either go to sell side or it will come to buy side. So whichever gets activated first, that you have to take, the other one you have to ignore. So this is the concept. It is very simple. So now in natural gas, now sell only got activated. So I have to remove the buy and immediately I have to enable the sell SL. First sell SL I can enable. Otherwise I can enable second buy. Okay. If you understand the second buy, then you can enable. Otherwise you can enable first sell SL. So this is what we have to enable in the morning. Now we will see the performance of the three script, that is natural gas, bank nifty and crude oil every day. And before that, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share so that we will get more number of subscribers. Moreover, the people who are in loss continuously with less investment, so they will be getting an opportunity to earn from the trading. So this indicator is an opportunity for all the people who are struggling to make profit from the market, because they will use their emotional feeling and they will come out of the loss. But when we are using this indicator, we are away from the emotional feeling, because it will show where to buy and where to sell. Okay. Now sell has been activated here exactly. So the sell entry was 217.1 and the high made was 217.2. Just 10 paisa gone up. Only 10 paisa gone up after our entry. Then you see immediately our target has been achieved and second target also exactly achieved. So how many points we have got from 217.1 to 213.6? We have got some 3.5 points. How many points? We have got some 3.5 points. And in 2,250 rupees, if we add, we get 4,375 rupees in the natural gas profit. Then we will see crude oil. So in crude oil, what we have to do? Again, we have to enable first buy and first sell. See, first sell only got activated. See here, it is 4814 and the high made was 4811. We have a concept that 3 points buffer we can keep, which means what? 4811 will be the exact entry. So if you had kept a 3-point buffer and if you have taken sell entry, then your first target done, second target done, and third target also done, which means you are getting some profit. 4814 to 4698, almost 118 or 119 points profit. It is 11,800 rupees profit. How many points? 11,800 rupees profit. 113, because 3 points we have kept the buffer. So 113 points we are getting the profit from 4811 to 4698. 11,300 rupees profit. Suppose if you have not kept the buffer and you are waiting for the exact entry, then what will be the case? What will be the case? That also we'll discuss, the worst case scenario. So you will be waiting for the exact entry at first buy and first sell. So here, since you had missed the entry with 3 points difference, you would have taken the buy entry at 4774 and you will be waiting for the target of 4814 4812, but SL hit. But we know in advance that if SL hit, we have to take 2 lot from 4735 for the target of 4697. For the target of 4697. So first we got 39-point loss in the second entry, 4735 minus 4697. We got 38 points profit. 38 into 2, 76 points profit minus 39-point loss, then 3,700 rupees profit. When we have not kept the buffer of 3 points for the sell entry if you are waiting for the exact entry. But the logic says, the strategy says we have to keep 3 points only if market is struggling to come to our entry point. Okay. So now what I have taken here, I have taken only the second scenario that I have not kept any 3 points buffer and I'm waiting for the exact entry. Entry I got and SL hit. Immediately I have taken the 2 lots in the reverse entry and I got my target exactly hit and I have booked 3,700 rupees profit after recovering my 3,900 rupees loss. So I have considered this scenario for today. But mostly what you have to do, you can keep 3 points extra risk for everything. 300 rupees extra risk you can take. So hope it is clear, right? Then next one, we will see about the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what happened? Sell you have to enable, first sell, but sell point is away from the market price. So it is not activated. So we have to remove it. Buy only got activated. So now buy activated at 32984. Market did not move yesterday. We had no movement, only this much only movement was there, but exactly buy activated and it has given 120 points profit. At the time of market close, we got some 100 points profit. So I have taken only 100 points consideration with only one lot. So we got 2,500 rupees profit yesterday in the Bank Nifty. So totally in yesterday, we got the profit of 10,575 rupees profit. 10,575. Actually, this should be 11,300, right? If it is 11,300, then we got the profit of 18,175 rupees profit. But I'm considering the least scenario, that is 3,700 rupees profit. Suppose if you have not kept the 3 points buffer. So whatever be the cases, either market is going bullish or bearish, no issue. We have to follow the indicator. Strictly follow every day, you will get a profit. Now see the overall performance for the week. So in 1 week, we got the profit of 1,05,000 rupees. 1,05,000 rupees for an investment for crude, for Bank Nifty, crude NG. If you are having only 2 lakh rupees also, it is enough. Because in Alice Blue, you can trade with a single margin. So morning you can trade 50,000 you can keep for the 50,000 or 80,000 you can keep for the Bank Nifty and 50,000 for crude oil and 25,000 for natural gas. So if you are keeping even above all this 2 lakh rupees, just in a week, you have got 1 lakh plus rupees profit. Even if the 5,000 rupees is going for your tax, GST and all, you are having 1 lakh rupees profit in your hand within 5 days. Then if you calculate per day profit, it is coming to 26,250 rupees per day profit only in 3 script. Only in 3 script, that is crude oil, natural gas and Bank Nifty. Only one lot. Only one lot. If you have taken only one lot, then you are in a profit of 1 lakh rupees with a 2 lakh rupees investment, with it strictly following the indicator. No other manual entry. Take the entry, wait for the target or SL. If SL hit, book the loss and exit. If target hit, book the profit and enjoy. So this is what our indicator works. It is working really very nice. So enjoy it and encourage all your trading friends to subscribe our YouTube channel and Telegram channel and for our indicator. And we are trying to write coding for this algo, so that just to invest the amount and automatically an algo will trade for you. So we are trying our level best, but there are many calculations behind this. So that is the reason we are unable to complete. Anyway, we are trying. So once it is achieved, then we will convert this indicator into monthly subscription mode. Till then, we will offer you with a lifetime mode for the people who are opening trading account with us. Those who are not opening account, they can contact us. We will give you some solution for the subscription of indicator. Okay, thank you all for watching our video. Once again, request to subscribe and share it to many people. If any doubts, you can call on this number or WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, thank you all. Stay blessed. Happy profitable day ahead.